The health benefits of tofu food. Vegetarians have long reported the benefits of tofu food, a soy product that is often used as a meat alternative in a variety of dishes. But the benefits of tofu food have reached beyond the vegetarian community as more and more health-conscious eaters have turned their attention to this versatile product. Tofu food lends itself to a variety of delicious uses, and as such, continues to be a staple food in many households and kitchens. Made from soybean curd that is pressed into blocks, tofu food has a variety of uses depending on its different moisture content. Derived directly from soy milk, soft tofu contains the highest moisture content of all varieties of tofu. Its texture is likened to custard, and as such it lends itself to a multitude of dessert recipes. Firm tofu contains less moisture than its soft counterpart, and because it can hold its shape better is often used as a staple in most tofu food recipes. Dried tofu is extremely low in moisture, likening it to cooked meat. Most cooks use this tofu food crumbled, sliced, or formed into noodles. Tofu food also has the ability to be frozen, or made into a puree, so that it can be used anytime throughout the week in whatever capacity it is needed. But the versatility of tofu food ultimately lies in its flavor, or lack thereof. Tofu actually has very little of its own natural flavor. Instead, it absorbs the flavor from the other ingredients in the dish. Served in soups, as a filling or stuffing, raw, stewed, fried, or grilled, tofu food can be used in a multitude of cuisines. But most importantly, the health benefits of tofu food are difficult to ignore. Low in calories and high in protein, tofu contains no cholesterol and in some cases has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. It's no wonder that more and more people have begun to include tofu food as a part of their healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching.